Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am a graduate seller of DMC Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung sample computations natin dito po para kay Fairlane Residences. Okay po? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am a graduate seller of DMC Home. Hello po, so for this video naman, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is sa sample computation natin for this month of April para kay Fairlane Residences. So para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, this project is near Bonifacio Global City, BGC, and Ortigas. So it is located along West Capitol Drive. Kung familiar kayo kay Brixton Place, so magkatabing project lang sila. And ang kagandahan dito sa project na to, it is just between BGC and Ortigas, okay? So ito, malapit po ito, mas malapit ito doon sa bagong bridge na na-open. This is what we call Ortigas BGC Bridge Link, okay? Na kagandahan nito, yung tatawid ko lang ng kabilang bridge, BGC na, okay? So for this project po, isang building lang siya, kagaya ng the Crestmont natin, okay? So, and then also kagandahan dito, puro 2-bedroom units lang ang available natin dito. So as of today, April 1, ang available natin dito is tatlo na lang na 2-bedroom unit, okay? So ang size is nasa 53.50 square meters, okay? So this project is ready for occupancy, but if you will buy this as for investment, pwede natin siyang i-turn. So kagandahan din dito, so project ito is it is located in Capitolio, Pasig City. So part pa rin siya ng Pasig, okay? And malapit rin ito kay Estancia Mall, kay Unimart, okay, and kay Ortigas yan. So most of the unit owners here is either they work on BGC or they work in Ortigas. So ganito, very accessible din itong lugar na to, okay? So and then very private kasi katabi lang niya yung si Capitolio natin, sa Barangay Capitolio, wherein mostly purely mga residential houses po yung dito sa area na to. Okay, and then dito for this project, syempre same in-offer pa rin natin na resort-inspired amenities, swimming pools, meron tayong barbecue pits, diba? So kung ano po yung mga nakikita nyo on other projects natin, meron din tayo dito kay Fairlane Residences. Okay, so for the computation natin for this month of April, ang promo natin is a 12% down payment payable siya in 36 months. Okay, with the remaining balance of 88%, yun yung ilalo natin kay bank. So Kasi for example, ang price natin for 53.50 square meters, ang price is at 10.1 million, okay? So let's get the 1% discount amounting to 101,000. So ang net contract price natin magpo-fall sa 10,332,660. So let's get a 12% down payment. So that would be at amounting to 1.2 million unless the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin would fall at 1,183,919. So ito yung equally divide natin for 36 months. So for 36 months, your monthly down payment would be at 32,886. Okay? And then yung remaining balancing nyo na 88%, yun na yung ilo-loan ninyo kay bangko. So that will due on the 37th month on May 2029. So the total balance is at 8.8 million plus a closing fees of 1 million. Okay, so ito yung estimated na monthly amortization natin for the bank financing. So maximum of 20 years at 70,600 per month. For 15 years at 80,000. For 10 years at 102,000. Okay? Ayun. So for those who are interested po on this project, okay, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen nyo, may contact me anytime through Viber, to WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, to WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng on presentation. Pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa napakagandang project na ito na si Fairlane Residences. Okay? So, again, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.